What's going on, guys? Do you want to start recording a YouTube videos, but maybe you have a cheap microphone and it sounds so terrible? Don't worry about it. You don't have to buy the most expensive microphone ever. Just watch this video all the way to the end and I will show you how to make your microphone sound better just using only OBS settings. So let's move on point. How? When you're on OBS menu, just click here on settings and then on audio. And when you're here, just make your sample rate to 44.1 like mine, and then disable all settings here like this way, and then done. So as you can see in my sources, I have this source mic. You have to put it like me from this plus here, and when you click it, it opens a window with all sources that you can put. So put this audio input capture and then outsource, yeah, and yeah, just add it only once. You don't have to put it twice. I just put it twice just to show you how. And now, as you can see, when you right click it, I have 4 filters. So how to put filters here? Yeah, these filters makes my microphone to sound better, but how to put them? When you click on this plus here, you can put every single filter that you want. So I put, cancel. I put this 4 filters that makes your microphone sound better. Just put compressor, gain, and noise suppression, and also what was the other one, and limiter. And from here you can choose which one to customize and to see how could your microphone sound like. And that is all. And as you can see, I sound better in this way with these filters and with these filters. So yeah, that is it. If I helped you out, just you can try it on OBS if you're using OBS, and if I helped you out, just like the video, and if you have some problem with the audio, just comment down below and I'll try to answer you, to respond, I mean. And yeah, see you next video. Bye.